In this video, I will explain the structure of the human heart and how it pumps blood around the body and the system that controls it. Heart is a hollow muscular organ. It is located between the two lungs in the middle of the thoracic cavity and surrounded by two-layered sac called pericardium. Pericardium protects the muscular heart, and the chambers of the heart and are separated by partition called septum. This partition is called septum. All the chambers are separated with each other by a septum. Heart is a muscular organ that collects the deoxygenated blood and send it to the lungs for purification and pumps the oxygenated blood to the rest of the body. Okay. Heart is divided into 4 chambers. Upper 2 chambers are called auricle or atrium, and the lower 2 chambers are called right and left ventricles. The 2 auricles received blood and the 2 ventricles transport blood. Right portion of the heart contains deoxygenated blood and the left part of the heart contains oxygenated blood or purified blood. Left atrium is connected to the left ventricle through a valve which is called mitral valve. Through a valve V1 which is called mitral valve. It is bicuspid valve. Whereas the right atrium is connected to the right ventricle through another valve V2 which is called tricuspid valve. These valves prevent the backflow of blood into auricles or atrium. Before discussing about the circulation of blood, let's discuss about the arteries, capillaries and veins. We know arteries carry oxygenated blood from heart to the all body organs, whereas veins carries deoxygenated blood from body organs to the heart. Okay, arteries carries oxygenated blood or oxygen-rich blood from heart, except pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery carry deoxygenated blood. Similarly, veins carry deoxygenated blood from body organ to heart, except pulmonary vein. Pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood. Clear? Arteries are thick-walled. Okay, because blood emerges from the heart under high pressure. So arteries are thick-walled and are found in whole of our body. It is present deep inside of the body. Okay. Whereas, and the function of the artery is to carry oxygenated blood from heart to all the parts of the body. Now, capillaries. Capillaries are thin-walled and extremely narrow tube. Capillaries are thin-walled and extremely narrow tubes, okay, which connect arteries to veins. Thus, the exchange of various material like oxygen, food, carbon dioxide, etc. between the blood and the body take place through capillaries only. Okay, capillaries join the arteries to the veins. Now, next is veins. Veins carries deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein. Pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood. Veins are thin-walled blood vessels which carry blood from all parts of body, all body organs of the back to the heart. Impure blood from the body organ, it transport it to the hearts. Veins have valves in them which allow the blood to flow in one direction towards the heart. It has a valves which allow the blood to flow in one direction only, towards the heart, from body organ towards the heart. Veins do not need thick wall because the blood flowing through the veins under low pressure. So these are about arteries, veins and capillaries.